Ever wondered about the peace and tranquility found in a Japanese garden? Isn't there something truly serene about these gardens that compels you to stop, take a breath, and appreciate the beauty of nature? The tranquility is not just a mere coincidence. It is the result of a unique art form known as Ikebana, the Japanese art of flower arrangement. Don't forget to subscribe and let's grow together. Ikebana, in its simplest form, means making flowers live. However, it is much more than just an activity to arrange flowers in a vase. It's a process, a discipline, a meditative practice that connects us with nature and helps us explore our own creative impulses. Moreover, it is not your ordinary act of bouquet making. It is a mindful practice dating back to the 7th century which has transformed throughout the years, but the core of its spirit remains intact. Each element used in Ikebana, every flower, every stem, every leaf, is chosen with intent and has a purpose and a place. It's about creating a holistic arrangement that encapsulates the beauty of nature and life. You start with an empty vase, a canvas as blank as the beginning of the universe, waiting to be painted with the colors of flowers. Next comes the selection of flowers. This phase is crucial. The flowers you choose can be big or small, vibrant or muted. The choice is yours, and yet it isn't. You see, Ikebana is not just about what visually appeals to you, but it's about achieving a balance, harmony, and rhythm. It's about capturing the essence of the universe in a vase. Once you have chosen your flowers, you begin arranging them. Focus on lines and form. This isn't about creating a uniform arrangement, it's about creating a harmonious yet dynamic composition. Use odd 3, 5, 7. In Japanese culture, odd numbers are considered lucky, and in Ikebana, they help to achieve the aesthetic balance that is key. It's not about symmetry, it's about balance. One of the most interesting aspects of Ikebana is its universal appeal. Whether you're a sports fan, a home cook, a business tycoon, or a teenager dealing with growing pains, there's tranquility to be found in this art form. The process of Ikebana, from selection of flowers to arranging them, slows down time and invites reflection. It becomes a dialogue between you and nature. It's a way to temporarily escape from the hustle and bustle of life and find peace in the simplicity of arranging flowers. So why not give it a try? You don't need to be in Japan or even have a garden to experience this tranquil art form. All you need are a few flowers, a vase, and a desire to explore your creativity. And who knows, you might just find that you've created your very own pocket of tranquility right at home. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want more daily and weekly updates on plants. Try it today and experience the peace of a Japanese garden right at home.